Hello, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to be talking about the Command Manager tabs, which is this right here. So this is your Command Manager tab. So the first one, you have your feature, which we talked about in the previous lecture, which you have your sketch features and you have your applied features. And these are your applied feature and these are your sketch features. And it's the same option, so there are several ways to get there. You can also click on insert and you have your extrude over here. So this has different tabs. So you have your feature tab, you have your sketch tab, which gives you the different sketch tools. You also have your surface tab and you have your evaluate tab. So to start, the tabs we are going to be working with the most is your feature tab, your sketch tab, and when we get into assembly we might do the evaluate. But on the evaluate, the only two features you will use mostly is the measure and mass property. So this is your command manager tabs. And you can also, let's say for example, there are some tabs you want down here. You can right click on it and you have all these options you can check. So for my surface, if I uncheck that, you can see the surface has been deleted from the tab. And if I select surface and let's say I select sheet metal, and now I have more tabs there that I can work with. So it's pretty much based on what you're going to be working with, and you can add or remove the tabs as you want. So that is your command manager tabs. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.